Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone unavailable iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus. When you forgot the passcode on your iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus, and you keep entering the lock screen passcode wrong several times in a row, your device will show you iPhone unavailable message on the lock screen. Why your iPhone 8 says iPhone unavailable? The unavailable mode is a security lock that Apple automatically activates when it detects several wrong passcode attempts. You'll only see the unavailable screen after updating to iOS 15.2 or later version. The aim of the passcode lock is to protect your data from unauthorized access. So, you'll get iPhone 8 unavailable lock screen if you, your daughter, or someone else enter the passcode mistakenly more than 5 times. If someone else enters the incorrect passcode and ends up with iPhone unavailable lock screen iPhone 8, it's easy to enter the correct code to unlock the phone after waiting 1, 5, 15 minutes, or more. If you completely forgot the passcode, then you might need to try other solutions to unlock unavailable iPhone 8. That is to use Erase iPhone button, restore via recovery mode using iTunes or Finder, and unlock iPhone 8 via Find My in iCloud. Finally, you will get your iPhone 8 out of unavailable mode without entering the lock passcode you forgot. Now, let's start. The first iPhone unavailable iPhone 8 fix is to use the Erase iPhone option. There are a few requirements for this solution. First, you'll need to insert a SIM card that could connect your device to a cellular data connection. Second, you still remember the Apple ID password, which is needed for unlocking. Third, make sure you have stable cellular or wireless internet network. Then, here's how to fix iPhone 8 stuck on iPhone unavailable. The first step is to reach the screen that shows the Erase iPhone option. Let's say that now you get iPhone unavailable try again in 1 minute message after attempting the wrong passcodes 5 times in a row on the lock screen. After 1 minute, make the 6th wrong passcode entry. As you can see, iPhone unavailable message will show up again with an alert saying try again in 5 minutes. After the period, try the 7th incorrect passcode attempt. Your iPhone 8 will say iPhone unavailable try again in 15 minutes. Besides, a new option saying Erase iPhone will show up on the bottom right corner of the screen. And that's what you need. Tap the button. It'll bring you to the next screen, where it's saying your iPhone 8 is in security lockout. To get rid of the screen, you can try to enter the correct lock code after the required waiting period. If you can't remember the passcode, another way to go is to tap Erase option here to factory reset your unavailable iPhone 8. Put your Apple ID password on the field and the erasing and unlocking process will automatically start. It might take a few minutes. You can keep track of the process using the progress bar underneath. When the reset ends, your iPhone 8 will reboot, get past the iPhone unavailable lock screen, and go to the hello screen. Now, just set up your iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus as a new phone and use it again. If the Erase iPhone button still doesn't show up, or it appears but is not working or responding, moves to the next method. When you forgot the Apple ID password, you can reset unavailable iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus via iTunes or Finder. You might say that you plug your iPhone 8 that is unavailable to the computer but neither computer nor the iTunes detects your device. Actually, it's a common problem, but it can be simply fixed by putting your device into recovery mode. In this safe mode, iTunes or Finder will successfully connect your iPhone 8 even though it becomes unavailable and you forgot the passcode. To fix the iPhone unavailable screen, it allows you to do a system restore to unlock. Here's how the process works. Connect your phone to a computer using a USB cable and open up iTunes or Finder. Your iPhone 8 screen is still showing iPhone unavailable. Your computer, or iTunes or Finder, might be not able to contact your device without the passcode permission. Never mind. The next step is to enter recovery mode. You'll need to quickly press the volume up and down button. Next, press the power button on the right side and keep pressing it. OK, volume up, volume down, and keep holding the side button. You'll notice that your unavailable iPhone 8 turns off. Still hold the button. A few seconds later, you'll see the Apple logo appearing on the screen. Continue holding the side button. Now, you see a screen showing a cable towards a computer. Let go of the side button and you successfully enter the recovery mode. If you can't see this screen at once, just repeat the steps to try again. Now, go back to your computer. Now, iTunes or Finder should quickly detect your iPhone 8 that's frozen on iPhone unavailable screen. Meanwhile, you will see a dialog box popping up. along with Update and Restore 2 options. Click Restore. It'll warn you that the restore process will delete all the content on your device and bring it back to the most original status. If you have backed up the photos, contacts, etc. in iCloud or computer, you can proceed with the iPhone Unavailable fix without losing data, because you can restore data from the backup after the reset. If not, everything will be gone forever. Choose Restore and Update option and follow the on-screen prompts to trigger the reset process. Now, it's downloading the latest iOS firmware to restore your unavailable iPhone. This might take 1 to 2 hours. Then, the program will then extract the firmware and install the iOS software into your iPhone 8 to remove the iPhone Unavailable screen. If your iPhone 8 exits the recovery mode screen during the process, just repeat the steps before entering the mode again. If everything runs successfully, you'll see a progress bar with the Apple logo showing up on your iPhone 8. Then, the device will boot up the Apple logo, and turn back onto the Hello screen. Yes, it's the screen that you will see when you first set up your new iPhone. Quickly set up the phone. Set a memorable lock passcode. Choose to restore from iCloud or computer if you have a backup there. If you just want to start the phone from scratch, tap Don't Transfer Apps and Data. Configure other settings that are left. See, you successfully enter the home screen. The iPhone Unavailable message disappears. Now, you can use your phone or send messages normally as you did before. Can you unlock an iPhone 8 when it's locked out to an iPhone Unavailable screen without computer? Yes, you can erase your phone wirelessly using the Find My option in iCloud on another smartphone or tablet. The unlocking process only works when you've enabled Find My option before getting the phone into the unavailable mode. And also, you still remember your Apple ID password, and your phone has stable internet to trigger restoring and unlocking process. Let's do it. Go to iCloud.com and log in via your Apple ID and password. If you've turned on the two-factor authentication for your Apple ID, it'll ask you to enter the verification code that's sent your another iOS device. Then, click the green Find iPhone icon. From the top middle of the page, you'll see a drop-down icon saying All Devices. Click it and it'll show all your iOS devices that have signed in with your current Apple ID. Find and choose your iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus that says iPhone Unavailable on the lock screen. Next, to unlock your phone, continue with Erase button. It'll send you an alert that the step will clear all your images, messages, numbers, and more. Just choose Erase again from the popping up message. And Apple will trigger the erasing and unlocking process immediately as long as your unavailable iPhone 8 is connected to a stable internet network. Like before, your iPhone 8 will boot up to the Hello screen after unlocking the iPhone Unavailable screen. Hope this video helped you fix an iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus that says iPhone Unavailable message on lock screen. If it does, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below to let us know, and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, don't forget to subscribe Byte Further channel, and turn the notification bell on to follow our latest uploads on iPhone tips and guides. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment them down below and I'll reply ASAP. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.